Hi everyone, my name is Siri Chandana. I am studying 8th class in ZPHS Palakurti, District Janagam, State Telangana.
Hello everyone, my name is Akila from 9th standard, Janagam District, Telangana State. My project name is Humidity. Component for this project materials required is Arduino Uno board, display and wires, etc. Next, connections. Connections are
We should connect Uno board to display to the power bank. Now we should check once how temperature and humidity knows very well.
temperature.
Humidity is 64. 26. Humidity is 64 and temperature is 26.7 Celsius.
Advantages of this project is we know how much the humidity and temperature in the air. Thank you. In the
Adult Marathon 2023-24, we do this project. Thank you.